Hi everybody, Joy here, your licensed master esthetician. Today we are doing a face roller routine using a face roller. So this is great to help reduce puffiness, kind of get that lymphatic system moving. So perfect for days when you're feeling a little tired, feeling a little puffy. You'll also want to have a glass of water close by as well. So let's get going. Water is essential to life. We all know this. It supports our bodily functions, so make sure that you hydrate throughout the day. Start with water. And before we get started, make sure that your face roller is clean before you put it on your face. Now stand up and let's do this warm up for the lymphatic system. Take a nice deep breath in, exhale out. 3 wrist circles, really big. Then you're going to want to circle each ankle. Stand on one foot, circle 3 times, and then do the same thing with the other foot. Now you're going to gently tap above the collarbone. When you tap, you want to barely feel the collarbone. You do not want to feel the muscle underneath. It's just a gentle tap, and breathe easily. Inhale smooth and exhale smooth as you do the gentle taps. Release the arms down, going into 3 big shoulder circles. From there, you're going to bring the elbows back, pinch the shoulder blades, and then round and come forward. Back and forward 3 times. Release the arms down and go ahead and take another deep breath in. Exhale out. Little shake. Grab your face roller. We're back at the lymph system right above the collarbone. You are lightly rolling inward 3 times. Again, you barely feel this when you roll. This is such light pressure. Go slow, take your time, and breathe. Shifting to the décolleté, midline out. I'm going to roll out 3 times, traveling down. And as I roll out, I turn my head away just slightly. Don't overthink it though if that doesn't work for you with the head turn. So it's upper, mid, and lower. And breathe easy. 3 rounds. Now turn your head towards the side that you're working and tilt the chin towards the shoulder. And then slowly roll down 3 times. Start the midline and then work out 3 times and go for 3 sets. And now switch to the opposite side, traveling outward, midline out again, turning your head away as you roll out. Repeating that for 3 rounds. Breathe easy and visualize the décolleté softening as you do this. Rotate your head towards the side you're going to be working, tilt the head down, and then roll down. Breathe, exhale as you roll. I'm switching to the smaller side since I have it, and I'm going to do a quick forward back motion. This is basically to help, hopefully, stimulate the hair follicles at the hairline. And going from the midline out, I go behind the ear and then down the side of the neck to the collarbone. 3 rounds. Other side, same thing. With light pressure, always light pressure. Going back to those supraclavicular lymph nodes, we're just doing this with very light pressure, going inwards, and we're just trying to really pump that lymph system as much as we can. We're trying to help it along. The lymphatic system has waste from our cells, so we are just trying to get rid of that waste, help get rid of it. Now doing just a slow, long roll, midline of the hairline, all the way down to the collarbone. Take your time and breathe. Repeating 3 times on this other side. Long, slow roll. Go behind the ear, down the side of the neck, travel down to the top of the collarbone. Under the chin, you're going to first put the tongue to the roof of your mouth and then do gentle taps. So just tap and gently go along the jawline. Notice I just kind of turn my head to do that, working in the same direction, midline out 3 times. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Do not tap hard. Same thing on the opposite side. Gentle taps. And try to relax the muscles of your face. Soften the muscles of your face as much as you can. Now you're going to do 3 slow rolls. Outward. Take your time. Breathe. And now you're going to roll. And then I kind of flip it and then roll down the side of the neck to the top of the collarbone 3 times. Other side, same thing. 3 slow rolls outward. Breathe easy. Soften the jaw. And then roll out. Flip it and roll down the side of the neck. 3 rounds. And for those days that you don't have 10 minutes, but maybe you have 2 minutes, I would do just the collarbone work and then go into the area that's of importance to you. Above the collarbone, rolling in 3 times each side. Try to always get in that habit of whatever exercise you're doing, you kind of go back to that area to help, quote unquote, flush the lymph. Now full face, gentle roll, traveling upwards and outwards 3 times. Soften your cheek as much as you can, have light pressure. Then you're going to the third eye, which is just above between the eyebrows there. Go up, out, down the side of the face, down the side of the neck to the upper part of the collarbone. And repeat that for 3 rounds. Opposite side, same thing, traveling up the cheek 3 times. Go from the third eye, up, out, down and travel down the side. Try to go slow, take your time with it. Back to the collarbone, traveling inward 3 times each side. Very light pressure, barely feel it. Only do this eye area if you have the small roller. You're gonna have to have your eyes closed, and then you roll underneath the eye 3 times, inward out to the temple, and then go above and follow the eyebrow out to the temple. On that third one, you're gonna go down the side of the face, the side of the neck, to the collarbone. You can do the eye area 3 rounds if you'd like, just be very gentle. Last time, above the collarbone, 3 gentle inward rolls. Breathe, and then place that face roller down and do 3 big shoulder circles again. Really exaggerate it. And take that nice deep breath in. Exhale out. You did it. Drink water, stay hydrated, and clean your facial roller. All right, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for joining me today. Remember that this is not a facelift. This is just about helping to reduce puffiness, right? So thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. And also let me know what videos you would like to see in the future. All right, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.